Hello, welcome to my weekly recipe videos. Every Tuesday I want to share a different keto recipe that I've tried. Today I'll be cooking low carb chicken enchilada casserole. And something I learned about myself while preparing this and getting ready to cook this is I cannot spell enchilada to save my life. I'm pretty sure I spelled it differently every time I wrote it down. So props to the people that keep the spell check going. But now let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Starting off with 1 pound of chicken breast, salt and pepper to taste, a packet of enchilada sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, a cup and a half of water, 1 cup of queso fresco, I think I pronounced that right, a 4-ounce can of green chilies, a half a cup of minced cilantro, some cooking spray, and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And that's all in it. The first thing I'm going to do is mix up the sauce here. I mixed in the sauce and tomato sauce and the packet of enchilada mix in here with the water. I'm just going to mix those up. I don't know if a whisk is good for that job or just a spoon, but whatever. I'll get the chicken, put that here on medium heat. Some salt. Some pepper. Turn over and get the other side. Now that salt and pepper's covered it, I'll go ahead and pour in the enchilada sauce. It's awfully runny. I don't know if it's supposed to be that runny. Anyway, so turn that down to medium-low heat and let that cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll just set the timer for 15. Okay, they've been sitting there for about 15 minutes now. So now I'll turn them over and let it cook on the other side for another 10 to 15 minutes. Seems like the sauce is thickening up, and at least I'm not sure if I'll cook this one too often. It takes 30 minutes of cooking before you start baking. Anyway, smells good, but we'll go back to it. And yeah, just set it for another 15 minutes. You might as well get the oven preheating to 350. Okay, they have been cooking for a while now, so we'll go ahead and transfer them over here to this bowl here. Turn off the heat. And then I'll use a couple forks to get those all shredded up. Okay, I got the chicken all shredded up, and now I'll go ahead and add the sauce in. The queso fresco. Pretty sure I'm mispronouncing that, but oh well. The cilantro. I could have cut those up a little bit better. And the green chilies. I'll get that mixed up. Okay, that's all mixed up now. So I'll take some cooking spray and spray out this baking dish here. And then I'll add the cheese to the thing and spread it out. Now I'll spoon the enchilada mixing over the top of this cheese here. Okay, got the enchilada mixing is in there, so I'll cover it with the other half of the cheese. And I'll get some foil. Okay, I got it covered in foil, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that bake for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been cooking for 10 minutes now, so we'll go ahead and pull it out. Take the foil off, and we'll put it back in for another 3 minutes. Okay, there it is. There's the final product. Gonna definitely let it cool off a bit before serving it out. It says it makes 5 servings, but I'm just gonna cut it into fourths. But yeah, there you go. Low carb chicken enchilada casserole. Be sure to like, favorite, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff, and check out my Patreon if you're interested in supporting my channel, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.